I have people whom I remotely who mentored me. There are people whom I saw as mentors, whose work ethos, their standard of doing things, unconsciously you copy. Coming up. So I think quite honestly that mentorship is the thing, and it should be encouraged, especially in this world. The only way you can be measured as a successful person is to let us see who are the products you have assisted to succeed in life. And I think we all know that one. All of us will know that it is in our interest to mentor people.
Yusuf Olaolu Ali.
When I was talking about 500 awards,
Mentorship Center of our university was established in February 2025 with a vision to build a strong culture where mentorship is seen as vital for both personal and institutional success. Mentorship encompasses guidance, inspiration, and the sharing of experiences. The world is becoming quite complex and competitive. Mentorship therefore becomes quite critical. Mentors not only serve as educators, but also as role models, confidants, and supporters who guide staff and students through challenges and celebrate their successes. It is a commitment that is more than just transmission of knowledge from textbook and classroom to grooming mentees to reach their full potential.
Insight will undoubtedly enrich us all and set a strong foundation for this mentorship series. To all participants, I urge you to listen attentively, engage actively, and embrace the lessons that will be shared today. Opportunities such as this are rare and invaluable. Please make the most of them. This is especially so because the guest speaker will share practical experiences with us that will stay with us for the rest of our working career. As I formally declare this maiden mentorship public lecture open, it is my hope that the inspiration from this program will serve as a beacon of guidance for generations to come. Once again, I warmly welcome you and wish you a most enlightening and rewarding experience. Thank you.
all of you have contributed to my life in different ways. You may not know. To some of you, I feel challenged. To some of you, I feel compelled to behave in certain ways so that I don't fall below your expectations. Of course, I know I'm accountable to Allah. Ultimately. And you know, it's very humbling. If you have somebody like our amiable vice chancellor, amiable vice chancellor, now. No, not for me. If the vice chancellor could say I'm his mentor, then you know, voila. So I want to thank all of you for your kindness. The relationship between mentorship and economic and security challenges, we'll try to analyze. Then mentoring and academic success, mentoring and leadership development, key issues affecting mentorship in academia and university during economic and security crisis, strategies and solutions for effective mentorship, implications for policy, education, and professional development, and then there will be conclusion. The last part of the outline, cancel it. By the time I finish this one, anybody who asks me a question, there will be trouble. Now, next slide. Thank you. This presentation will address these 4 thematic areas. What role can mentorship play in building resilience and ethical leadership in times of uncertainty. What can happen? What are the basic principles and tenets of mentor and mentee relationships? The third thematic, what unique challenges do mentors and mentees face in unstable economic and security environments? And the fourth and last thematic point, how do economic and security crises affect the structure and effectiveness of mentorship?